Alright, decided to do a quick short on the thermostat. So first step, you want to take these clips off. So these, you pop them in. I just popped them in with this. So you pop them in, pull them out with your pry tool, and this lifts up a couple 10 millimeters. Lift that up. Alright, you can't see it, but the thermostat's down in there. So what I did, I'll move this aside. And undo this clip. It's really stiff, but once you get it off, you can get it off. I'm gonna move this wire, 10 millimeter. Under this, there's the 5/16 for the thermostat, right? And then so there's an 8 millimeter bracket, plastic bracket right here. 8 millimeter. Take that off. Move it to the side. See. And now you have access to that one, and then that one 5/16, you can fit a socket there, obviously during your cooling. And then to pull off the hoses, because they're kind of hard to get to, I'm gonna actually pull the thermostat off, undo this hose here because it's easy, and then you just pull all that off together there, and then that one you'll have access once it's off. Once it's unbolted, it's just 2 bolts. Then you can move this down and then clip it, and then the wire on top. So do not try to unclip it without unbolting it first, because you'll have a really hard time. So that's that. So there's the part number. Again, this is a 5/16. It's up in there. This is a new one sitting just like that. So that's it, guys.